Would you be interested in buying a home that needs updating if you had the cash on hand to make the renovations? There is a way that might help you do just that. Hi, I'm Colleen Black. My husband David and I are realtors here on the Eastern Shore. Everybody is experiencing sticker shock today, especially for people who are looking to buy a home. But price is not the only challenge. Finding the right home can be especially tough in today's market. Casey Haririan is a residential mortgage lender with over 18 years of experience. If you want to renovate the home that you're buying, Casey has a loan that might make that work. Casey, are you finding it a challenge with the market changing to get people pre-approved for a loan in general?
Right now, we're not experiencing a challenge with getting people approved. The problem is when we do get them approved and we tell them, okay, this is how much you can afford or this is your monthly payment, they take a back seat and they're like, okay, I can't justify paying $2,000, $2,200 a month for a house that I could have bought 3 years ago and my payment would have been $1,500. So the approval process is not a challenge. It's them finding a house in the price range and in the monthly payment range that they can afford and they can have peace about and they can sleep at night.
So really it's a challenge regarding inventory and affordable housing.
Yes.
So are you seeing, what about people who are willing to go ahead and, I guess they still want to buy a house, so they buy something that's probably going to maybe need some, renovating. That might be the only option at that point, so they can get a more affordable house. Do you have any programs that would help them along those lines?
Most definitely. We have a renovation loan program where you could purchase a home with that needs work, and it doesn't have to be run down or anything. Even if you just want to upgrade it to your liking.
Like maybe put in a new kitchen.
Sure,
and stuff
sure.
like that.
Update the bathrooms, update the kitchen, change the floorings, just because you want to. We do offer a renovation program under the conventional, and we offer one under the FHA program where you can purchase the home and have enough money set aside for upgrading things and updating and renovating the house after closing. We do require a 45-day time frame for that project to be finished, and we cut checks as the work is being done.
What happened if somebody, their contractor messed up and they go over that 45-day time frame? What happens then?
We work with the contractors,
Okay.
and we are taking the responsibility and the liability of the work, and our company is so well versed in that area that we know what we're doing. We're not going to allow any contractor. It has to be, they have to be vetted, they have to be licensed and insured, and they have to have references. So what we do is we manage that process even after closing, and we take all the responsibility and liability of it.
I mean, that could be a game changer for so many people who do find a house and they say, we really like this house, but it just needs too much work right now. We would have to change this, this, and this. Well, knowing that renovation program is available would be huge. And I can't help but wonder if that would maybe, it's been my experience anyway, that existing homes, typically they're easier to find better location in existing homes. It seems like most of the new construction, or a lot of it, is maybe not in the prime locations, just because of time. It's been years ago the builders had the pick of places to build, the best places to build in. So to me, that seems like that would be a really good option for somebody who's looking to buy a more affordable housing.
Right, and most, not every lender offers the renovation loan program. So maybe a lot of times the agent or the buyer are not aware that there's something out there that they could take advantage of. So if it's a house that's brand new, or if it's an existing home that may need some work, they just write that off and check it off the list because they don't have the funds or the means to do the upgrade that it takes. So they move on to the next house, and so this opens the selection for them to maybe consider that a house that's maybe older but it's in a good neighborhood that needs some work, maybe needs a roof, maybe needs flooring, maybe, I mean, you name it. There's really no limitation on what they can do to the house.
if someone wanted to contact you, how would they contact you?
They can always reach me on my cell phone, and that number is 205-999-1386. I have my cell phone with me 24/7. I'm up till probably 10 o'clock at night. I work nights, weekends, so I'm available that way. Or they can send me a text or email. My email is kcteam@uhm.com, because I have a team of colleagues that we help each other out. And if someone is out of town or have a sick child at home, we step in and we make sure that that phone or that email is answered in a timely manner.
Nice.
So that email goes to 3 different people.
Wow.
And whoever gets to it first will answer and address the issue or the question. And most of our clients actually do an application online. The link is just www.uhm.com/KC Haririan. And you can go online and apply online, and by the time you finish your application, within minutes we'll have your information and we'll do a credit check, and we can in most cases have a pre-approval letter to you within an hour from that.
If you talk with KC, there's no cost or obligation. And it's the same way if you talk with us about buying a property or listing your home for sale. So give us a call and we'll be happy to discuss your options. We hope you have found this information useful. I'm Colleen Black. Thanks for watching.